Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2020 Hino 195. It's a 19.5 GVW truck. But before we get into that walk around, we make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new product on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from our used truck, we bring our trucks in from our leasing department or from our customers' trade-ins. We wholesale the trucks we don't want, keeping only the best trucks for our customers. Once we do that, we do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, brakes, tires, lift gates. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. We get that fixed. We do a QC on them, test drive, get them cleaned up, put online for our customers to take a look at. As we said, this is a 2020 Hino 195, and on top of that 150-point check, we have done the engine oil filter, fuel and air filter. It's got 4 new injectors in it. The DPF filter has been replaced, and it still has extended warranty left on it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb up in the cab, got plenty of grab handles to get up in here. We got really good outward visibility and upward visibility too, since it is a cab forward truck. You're sitting on top of the axle, which gives it a smaller footprint than a conventional sized truck. Makes it easier to get around parking lots, just traffic overall in general. We've got the AM/FM CD player, cruise control, air conditioning. This truck does have power mirrors, the large mirrors on the doors. The driver can control them from the driver's seat, which is a really nice safety feature. It's got a nice backup camera on it, and it's diesel automatic, so it's pretty easy to drive. And you can tell this truck was well maintained, clean, great ride for you guys to get in and start making money with. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real quick. A lot of people are not aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. A lot of times you start looking at pre-owned trucks, the corner caps are knocked out. They're really tore up. This truck's in really good shape. It's got an FRP body on it. It's got good rubber all the way around it. This particular truck they call this a Chicago style step bumper, where you can put your product on there, climb up in there. We do have the option of taking this off. We can put a tuck-away lift gate on it if you'd like. We could put a rail lift on it if you'd like, or just a step bumper with a pull-out ramp. So there's still a lot of options that you can do with this. We have got a really nice 18 by 91, 96 wide van body. As we said, it is FRP. We've got the 3 rows of E-track all the way across the front and back down. Aluminum roof in it, multiple dome lights in here for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries, and the laminated floor is still in really good shape with a lot of life left in it. A lot of our customers come into Industrial Power looking for a box truck, not really knowing what they need. We've got the larger 26 footers, but we're starting to get some other 14, 16, 18 footers like this one in, where you don't need quite as much carrying capacity. And the nice thing about this truck, it is a 19.5 GVW truck. You got that extra payload capacity. Even though this truck is in really good shape, we can still wrap this truck with your name, graphic designs, and phone numbers, turning that fuel money to advertising money while this thing's rolling down the road. Again, a really nice 2020 Hino 195, 18-foot van body with factory extended warranty left on it. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put product on, you'll be notified. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of it just by itself. And as always, we do appreciate your time.